Industrial Dehumidifier LB-13IND delivers a capacity of 150 liters per day, operating effectively between 5 to 38 degrees Celsius. It is ideal for maintaining controlled humidity in large-scale environments, such as manufacturing facilities, to protect materials from moisture damage. Features: Overheat Protection. Automatically shuts off to avoid overheating damage. Sensor Fault Indicator. Alerts users when sensor malfunctions occur. Digital Display Panel. User-friendly interface for easy control of humidity levels and timers. Automatic Defrosting System. Prevents frost buildup to maintain continuous operation. Uniform airflow. Delivers even air distribution for fast and consistent moisture removal.